Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss the law of conservation of momentum. Okay, so first of all, you will get everything in the book, then also we will discuss. So first of all, what is law of conservation of momentum? Okay, so first of all, we have known that a momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Okay, and we know that there is a velocity are of two type, initial and final velocity. So momentum is also of two type, initial momentum and final momentum. So what does this law states? This law states that when two bodies are moving and no external force is applied on it, then that the total momentum before collision will be equal to the total momentum after collision of the two bodies. Okay, so first let us example what to write. Suppose we consider two bodies. Okay, this is body, this is an object A and this is an object B. Okay, this is having a mass ma and this is having a mass mb. Okay, now it is moving with an initial velocity ua and this is moving with an initial velocity ub. Okay, and they are moving in the same straight line. Now consider that initial velocity of object A is greater than initial velocity of the object B. Okay, suppose consider this is 60 km traveling at a 60 km per hour and this is traveling at a 40 km per hour. So at some time there will be this will be touching this will be colliding with this. Okay, now consider this is the object diagram A. Now the second diagram, that at some time these two objects are, this is overtaking it, so it is colliding. Since they are moving in the same line, so what happens, they will collide. This is the body A, this is the object A and this is object B. Now what happened, they are colliding, so it is having a momentum, it is having a force, and this force it exerts on this object. Let this force we consider that force AB, that is AB means force of A that is created on object B. Similarly, what happens, this body, by the Newton's third law, we know that this will exert an force on object B, and let that force be FBA, that is force of B on A. Clear? This is an introduction. Okay, now what we do, so we will calculate the things. Okay, excuse me for a moment. Okay, now see, now we are considering for object A, we take it as object A and this is object B. Okay, object and A, object B. So initial momentum of A. Okay, initial momentum of this object, what it will be, m a u a. Okay, and initial momentum of this object B will be m b u b. Okay, final, so final momentum of this object will be ma v a and final momentum of this will be m b v b. Okay, so now the change in momentum, what will be, final momentum minus initial momentum, so it is ma v a minus ma u a. Okay, so here also the change in momentum, what will be, mb vb minus mb ub. Clear? So now what we will do, we will take the time. So rate of change of momentum. Oh, I am not writing the full spelling, it takes time. Okay, so rate of change of momentum, that means we will divide with the entire thing with time. Okay, similarly here also rate of change of momentum, particularly mvvb minus mbub by t. Okay, and according to the second law of motion, what we have, this rate of change of momentum is our force. So since this is the object A, okay, what we have shown here, the object A exerting force on object B, so this will be our FAB. Okay, and similarly this will be FBA. Okay, now, okay, so we are getting this two forces. Now these two forces, what happens, this is exerting force on this in this direction, and this is exerting force in this direction. And we know according to Newton's third law that these two forces are equal. But since they are in opposite direction, one moving in this direction and the other moving in this direction, so what we will write, it will be FAB is equal to minus FBA. Okay, now we put the values of both. Okay, okay, so minus is there, so when sign is there we put a bracket, t and t we can cancel, and now we will open the bracket. And since minus sign is there, so the sign will change, as you know. So minus minus plus becomes. So now what we will do, we will take it to two different ways. The V we will take this side and this we will take that. So I am one step I am doing short, and if we will do one more step, okay, so what it will be, MAUA plus MBUB equal to MAVA plus MBVB. Okay, this is the initial momentum of object A, and this is the initial momentum of object B, and this is final momentum of A and final momentum of B. So what we get, that total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum, okay, after, okay, total momentum after collision. Okay, this is what the Newton this is what the law of conservation of momentum states. Okay, so you will get it on page number 123, law conservation of momentum. What it is written here on the next page on 124, what you will get, the law of conservation. See, I have underlined, the sum of momentum of two objects before collision is equal to the momentum after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them. So this is the law of conservation of momentum and how to derive it. Okay, clear my dear students? So once again you practice with the diagram. Clear? Now we will do one example. We will take as 9.6. okay, 9.6, it is page on 124. Okay, so how to do it, let us understand. Example 9.6, okay, page is 124. Okay, you read the question. What is there? A bullet, okay, a bullet of mass 20 kg is horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Okay, what is recoil velocity means, when we fire a bullet from a gun, what happens, you will get a backward movement of the gun also. So that is the recoil velocity. So what we write the two objects, the bullet, okay, we will take as object A, and this is pistol, okay, as object B. Okay, so now we will put the values. Okay, so we will put as MA mass, okay, UA initial velocity of object, UB, okay, so MB, UB and VB. Okay, I have written here mistake, VA, final velocity of A. Okay, now what we got? A bullet of mass 20 gram, mass 20 gram na, 20 gram. Okay, we have to convert in kg. Okay, so 20 divided by 1000, so we get 0.02 kg. Okay, now what is that? The fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second. Okay, now what we have mass here of the rifle as 2 kg. Okay, now one thing, that both the objects, okay, this will be down, both the objects are stationary. Before firing, the bullet is at rest, so initial velocity 0, the pistol is also at rest, so 0. So after rest, the bullet is fired, so the final velocity of the bullet is 150 meter per second, and we have to find this. Okay, so simple. When we arrange all this, we put it into the formula. So we have just to write it down like MAUA plus MBUB equal to MAVA plus MBVB. Okay, now put all the values. Okay, 0.02, you can put the unit or just you can avoid also, or we can put at the last also. Plus 2 kg, and this we have to find final velocity of the recoil velocity of the gun. So multiplying with 0 is a total 0. If you multiply 2 with 150 with a decimal, what you will get? So multiply fast, what you will get? We get as 3 0. Okay, 30, 15 into 2 is 30. Okay, and what we get? 2 0, so it is 30. 2 double 0 will come, but since 2 decimal is there, so it will be 30. Okay, you can write the unit or just avoid in between. So 2 kg VV. Now I will avoid the unit. Okay, bring anyone this side. Okay, 2 VV is equal to, then it will be minus 30. Okay, so VB is equal to minus 30 by, sorry, 2 zeros, then it will be 0, 3 only. Since it is velocity, so put the unit as meter per second. Now find minus, then it is 1.5 meter per second. Minus why? Minus because the bullet, as we have seen, the bullet, if consider that this is your gun. Okay, and the bullet is moving in this direction. So direction of the bullet, when we have taken the velocity VA, we have taken in this direction. Okay, and then as it fires, the gun moves in the opposite direction, so VB. Since these two are in opposite directions, so the sign is as negative. So the recoil velocity of the bullet is 1.5 meter per second. Okay, so clear? So for today, thank you. Next day we will continue with the some of the examples and exercise. Okay.